Now let's understand who is stockbroker and who is sub-broker. So stockbroker can be an individual who is associated with stockbroking firm, and his major role is the selling of stocks, that is shares, securities or options on behalf of client through stock exchanges. Then who is a sub-broker? Sub-broker is not a trading member of a stock exchange but who acts on behalf of the trading member as an agent otherwise for assisting investors in dealing in securities through such trading members. Now let's understand what is the role of stockbroker. So the prime role of any stockbroker is to help the investors in buying and selling of securities, whether it is debt securities or whether it is stock securities or any other securities. So let's see what are the functions of a stockbroker one by one. First is buying and selling. So this is the primary function for a stockbroker. He helps his client in getting the stocks the client wants or getting rid of the stocks the client does not want. So indirectly this means he helps the client for buying a stock and selling a stock or making a transaction on a stock exchange. The second one is research and advice. The broker would be doing the technical analysis on behalf of its client, and basis that he needs to advise the client what stock he should be investing upon. Though the risk still is exclusive and lies to the investor, but the technical analysis can be done by the stockbroker, or stockbroker can take up the training part for the investors to educate them how to make a better investment decisions. The third role is invest in other class of assets. So it should not be that the stockbroker is asking the client to invest only in equities. He should also guide the investors that they can invest in other class of assets like gold exchange traded funds, or the investment can be made in debt markets or mutual funds, etc. Because this will basically, because the stockbrokers are someone who will have the fair knowledge of what is the requirement of the client or the investor, and they will be the people who will be understanding better how to give the right investment or right class of assets to its clients.